Can I weigh someone in a wheelchair? Yes, there are a couple of different ideas to consider for weighing patients in a wheelchair. One idea would be to purchase a wheelchair scale from a scale company such as Central Carolina Scale. We have multiple brands and versions of scales available for weighing wheelchair patients. We have wheelchair scales with a ramp on each end of the scale platform. We have wheelchair scales with a ramp on one end of the scale platform. We have wheelchair scales that can be folded up and rolled away. We even offer portable wheelchair scales that can be carried in your car. If you don't want to purchase a scale, you may be able to visit your local doctor's office and periodically obtain the weight. Most doctor's offices will have a handrail scale that will be suitable for weighing a person who is capable of standing briefly. Likewise, many doctor's offices may also have a larger scale that can be used to roll a wheelchair on and obtain a weight. We hope this video has helped you with ideas about weighing wheelchair patients. Be sure to visit centralcarolinascale.com and see our wide variety of doctor's office scales that we offer.